Hello everybody and welcome to Uprising 144K. I'm Hydrogen Man. So guys, today I want to talk a little bit about some of the science of molecular hydrogen. A lot of people are skeptical about hydrogen. They don't really understand it. They don't really know that it's the real deal. They're just, again, really skeptical. And I wanted to bring up this journal. It's called Nature Journal. Now, for those of you guys who don't know about Nature Journal, it's one of the most recognizable scientific journals in the world, guys. It was ranked the world's most cited. So it's obviously a very credible source for scientific information. And here's one of the articles they did on molecular hydrogen. So you can see here, molecular hydrogen regulates gene expression by modifying the free radical chain reaction dependent generation of oxidized phospholipid mediators. Now, the first thing I want to point out to you guys here is these are all Japanese scientists that worked on this. The other thing you can see right here, we previously showed that H2 acts as a novel antioxidant to protect cells against oxidative stress. Just that right there, guys, is huge because I believe the number is somewhere around 98% of all disease stems from oxidative stress. So if you can protect your cells, that is huge. The other thing I want to point out in here that's really important is the methods that they were using. I can't emphasize this enough. In this particular study, they were doing hydrogen gas. So that's really important to know. In fact, some of the equipment that they were using is literally the same stuff that I use. So that was really interesting too. And the other thing is they really need to know the amount of hydrogen gas. And this, I don't want to go too much into it, but there's a lot of misinformation on the internet, and especially right now with how to measure hydrogen gas and hydrogen in the water. A lot of misinformation about it. In this particular study, they used a method called chromatography. That is a method that nobody in the hydrogen world, so all these machines that you see out here, nobody in the industry actually uses that particular method to actually test their equipment, except for only one company, which is actually the particular device that I like to use, because this is from the #1 company in the world, and it's a Japanese company, my Hydrofix. But interestingly enough, yeah, the Hydrofix used that method, but they also used another method. There's two methods that they were using, which is what these guys are using. Why? Because these guys know what the heck they're doing. These are the actual scientists from Japan, and they know how to measure hydrogen gas properly. And the way I've seen a lot of people on the internet using like bubbling and thinking that bubbling things in a bottle of water is really going to show you a number, or even just trying to calculate the hydrogen gas. They're really incorrect methods, and it's important because as you can see in a study like this, they need to know the exact amount of hydrogen that was given the actual effect in order, for example, that shows that it regulates gene expression in this particular case. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys. If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. There's a lot of people out there that don't know about the actual science or even heard of this particular journal, Nature, which is really important because they got a lot of great scientific data. And I won't go over this whole article today because, guys, it is long. I mean, look at this. I mean, we would be here for hours talking about all the little details in here, but I will do another video here in the near future showcasing some of the little details throughout the article. And that's it, guys. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you get that notification when I go and release the next video. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the next one.